You are now going to pull out your composition notebook and answer the following questions. Ruth disagreed with people often, but was still able to get along with them. How can you make your opinion heard without getting upset with the other person? I'm going to give you about 1 minute to write your answer in your notebook. I'm going to give you a few more seconds. If you were at home and you're still not done answering this, you could just pause the video. We're going to move on to the next question. How has Ruth Bader Ginsburg helped people? Again, going to give you about a minute and a half to answer this. Alright, we're going to wrap it up. On this slide, you're going to answer these 5 questions. Number 1, why did Ruth's mom take her to the library so often when she was growing up? Number 2, what challenges did Ruth face as she grew up and went off to college? 3, what are some things Ruth fought for as a lawyer? 4, what does I dissent mean? And 5, why do some people think Ruth should leave the Supreme Court? After you've answered these 5 questions, you will read the last slide and then move on to your word study. Nope, onto your read aloud.